another viewpoint regards the Ali Kitab.
Brother, this is a question answer time. If you have a question, pose the question. That would be appreciated.
I say this because, very interestingly, because Malaysia also follow the schools of Imam Shafi'i. And actually, Imam Shafi'i actually goes for the more open interpretations of the Ali Kitab, as opposed to some schools and jurists that only limit it to the Jews and Christians. Actually, it's based on the scrolls of Abraham, the Psalms of David, Quran verse chapter 87, verse 19. And I hear a commentary by Prof. Hashim Kamali in this book, Common Grounds Between Islam and Buddhism, which I will present it to you afterwards.
Brother, I told you last time, Imam Shafi wrote the book Get me reference from that, I will believe. You are getting a book somebody else wrote. For me, when I quote you Quran directly and read from the Quran, if you read from a book somebody else has written, that doesn't carry weight for me. For me, if you want to quote Imam Shafi, he had Jadid and Qadim. I have read that book. Quote me from that book. Don't quote me from a book somebody else has written. It's not correct. It's not verified. You are doing the same thing what it is in Shah Alam. If you want to quote Imam Shafi, quote from his book not from the book you are holding. The book you are holding is not You go to the library, get the book of get the translation, quote from that, I'll believe in you.